Welcome to VGuide TV. In this video, electricity part 3, I am discussing few main questions of electricity. Electricity part 3. See the question. In the given circuit, the total current supplied by the battery is. In the given circuit, total current supplied by the battery. See the diagram. Okay, very important question. See here. What is the meaning of series and parallel connection? I discussed in the previous video. Series means current remains same. Parallel means end point should be same. So you can take this full line as one point only. Okay. This full as one point. So if you see it like this, I can tell that for this 3 ohm and 6 ohm, they both are connected to this point. Okay. And 3 and 6 ohm are also connected to this line. It means I can take these two are connected in parallel. 3 ohm and 6 ohm are connected in parallel. So your first situation is 6 ohm is parallel to 3 ohm. 6 ohm is parallel to 3 ohm. What is the parallel equation? R1 R2 by R1 plus R2, shortcut equation. R1 R2 by R1 plus R2 is the shortcut equation. Okay. So I can tell that 6 ohm and 3 ohm, their endpoints are same. So they both are connected in parallel connection. So as they are connected in parallel, RP is equal to R1 R2 by R1 plus R2. That is 6 into 3 by 6 plus 3. That is 18 by 9. 18 by 9 is 2 ohm. After that, I get an answer. Right? That answer is in series with, it means my diagram now changes to like this. 3 ohm, 6 ohm, 6 ohm, that will come as 2 ohm. This also 4 ohm, and this together I can write another one. So your answer, by seeing the diagram, you can understand that these two are in series. That's what the second step I have written. 2 ohm is in series with 4 ohm. So 2 plus 3. 2 ohm is in series with 4 ohm. So it is 2 plus 4. What is 2 plus 4? 6 ohm. I repeat, first what I did is these two are in parallel. I got an answer as 2 ohm. Then this 2 ohm and 4 ohm are in 2 ohm and 4 ohm are in series. We get 6 ohm again. Now, again if you check it, here we get a 6 ohm and here we get a 3 ohm. These are connected to a cell of voltage. What's the voltage they are given? Here the voltage I did not mention, right? So this is 6 volt, right? 6 volt. So I can write this as 6 volt. These two are connected, 6 ohm and 3 ohm, 6 ohm and 3 ohm are connected in parallel. So I can write here 6 ohm parallel to 3 ohm. So again you have to write parallel equation. 6 into 3 by 6 plus 3, that is 2 ohm. Then if you want a current, that is the voltage is 6 volt. 6 divided by, what is the total resistance now we got? The total resistance in this case is 2 ohm. 2 ohm. So we can write 6 by 2, 3 ampere. I repeat this diagram. Here it is 6 volt. Okay. These two are same points only. So 3 ohm and 6 ohm are connected in parallel. So we get a resistance as 2 ohm. And 2 ohm or 4 ohm are connected in series. So it is 6 ohm. Then that 6 ohm and this 3 ohm are connected in parallel. So how many things we are doing? These two, 4 steps. These two are in parallel. We get 2 ohm. That 2 ohm and 4 ohm are in series, 6 ohm. That 6 ohm and 3 ohm are again coming in parallel. Answer get 2 ohm. So the total current is 6 by 2. What is 6 by 2? 3 ampere. So your answer is 3 ampere. So see how we are doing. So remember again, parallel connection means end point should be same. This is a same point. Also a same point. These two are parallel. That is in series with the down one. That answer is in parallel with the outside one. Outside what is the resistance? This is 3 ohm. Now the next one is two metallic wires A and B are connected in series. Wire A of length L, radius R, while B of length 2L, radius 2R. Both are of same material. Then what is the total resistance? Resistance equation, we can write it as R is equal to rho L by A. What is your resistance equation? R is equal to rho L by A, that is rho L by area is pi R square. So L R rho. So we can write rho L by pi R square. That is nothing but R. For a wire B means we can write the length will be 2L, radius is 2R. So R2 is equal to rho into 2L by pi into 2R the whole square. So 2 rho L by 4 pi R square. 2 4 get cancelled, that is rho L by 2 pi R square. That is nothing but R by 2. That is nothing but R by 2. If they are connected it in series, they gave it in the question, connect it in series. The resistance is R1 plus R2. That is R plus R by 2. R plus R by 2 is 3R by 2. Clear? What we are doing? Resistance equation, rho L by A, rho L by pi R square. Then for both the wires we are doing rho L by pi R square, rho into 2L by pi into 2R square. It will become R by 2 because this 2 4 get cancelled. R by 2 we are adding, so the total resistance is 3R by 2. Next question. Suppose 5 resistance each of 10 ohm are provided to you. You are free to get a desired value by combining them. The desired value lie between. So remember, if we have 5 resistances and each of 10 ohm, it means same resistance connected in parallel. Same resistance connected in parallel. Same resistance each of, suppose 5 resistance each of 10 ohm they are given. It means they did not mention about series or parallel. They told about 5 resistance. But you have to remember, when the resistances are connected in series connection, we get maximum resistance. And parallel connection, we get minimum resistance. So maximum we are getting for series and parallel we get minimum. If all same resistance are connected in series means series resistance is NR. So 5 into 10, 50. If all are connected in parallel, all the 10 ohm are connected in parallel, so it is R by 10. So R by N. If N equal resistances are connected in parallel, it is R by N. R is 10, 10 by 5. 10 by 5 is 2 ohm. If they are connected in series, 5 into 10, that is 50 ohm. If they are connected in parallel, R by N, that is 2 ohm. It means your resistance lie between 2 ohm to 50 ohm. Don't forget, they are asking maximum and minimum resistance or what are the desired value means. You have to remember, whatever connection it be, it should lie between maximum and minimum. If they connect it in series, we get the maximum resistance, and if they connect it in parallel, we get the minimum resistance. So if N resistance are connected in series, resistance is NR. If N resistance connected in parallel, it will be R by N. So it lies between 2 ohm and 50 ohm. Okay, next question. Joule per coulomb is the SI unit of. Joule per coulomb. Joule is the unit of, we know joule is the unit of nothing but work or energy. Work, I am writing work. Q is the unit of charge. Q is the unit of Q means it is a symbol of charge and the unit of charge is coulomb. So C is nothing but it for charge. C is for charge. It means the work unit is joule and the charge unit is coulomb. Okay, what I did, joule is for work, C is for charge. So it is joule by coulomb. What is work by charge? Work by charge is nothing but potential, electric potential. So what is the unit of electric potential? Unit of electric potential is joule per coulomb. Joule per coulomb is also called by a name volt. Don't forget these all. So they are asking joule per coulomb is the SI unit of potential. Joule per coulomb is the SI unit of potential and it can also be called as volt. Thank you for watching V-Guide TV. Thank you.